Jai Hind everyone. Once again, welcome in our podcast, Speak of Sunbeam School, Palia. Our today's topic is child parenting. Child parenting is a significant topic in today's generation, and that's what we are going to talk about in this session. As parents, they all want best for their children, but navigating the complexities in modern parenting can be overwhelming, right? So today I am your host Aditi Yadav and we have our own headmistress Miss Neetu Pandey to share her experience and expertise to raise a confident, curious and a compassionate children. Welcome ma'am in today's podcast.
Thank you so much for having me in this podcast.
First of all, I would like to hear from you why is child parenting important?
Yes, a child parenting nowadays this is very crucial topic. See, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a psychologist, I'm not any psychiatrist, but yes, being an educator as well as pastoral guide also, I also deal with many students in my everyday day-to-day life. So I can understand my students, their mental status, their emotional well-being. So as I feel, nowadays children are facing through many challenges, many situations and many life experience they are facing in their lives. So for example, their academic pressure, their peer pressure, their social media influence, there are a lot of reasons behind. So as I believe, parenting is not about our child, it's about we as a parent, it's completely as I believe. ये हमारे बच्चे के लिए सिर्फ नहीं है कि हम सिर्फ बच्चे के बारे में सोचें. We need to understand as a parent, first raise my child, we as a parent, we need to understand how we have to raise ourselves. So at that stage, when children are facing through all these challenges, they need very, very strong parenting. I believe parenting is about parent, not about children only, not about only the discipline, throwing discipline, do this, do that, nothing like that. Parenting is about connection with my child. It's about my all boundaries, which leads many examples, which create an environment where they're nurturing, they are supporting, they are understanding to their child. And yes, definitely, it's developed the sense of empathy as well as sense of responsibility. So overall, as I understand, parenting is like a backbone of a strong society, which is not about being a perfect, but also being a present and understanding to our child, to our children for their better future.
Nice ma'am. Ma'am, I have a doubt. As I know earlier, there was no concept of child parenting, but today it is very crucial and important for every child. Why?
See, very, very nice questions. Ki why parenting required today? Earlier there was no parenting. Absolutely right. Today, every child is very, very unique. They have a unique sense of humor. And why at that time earlier parenting was not required? Because that time, as I understand, learning happened naturally. That time families were joined and children grew up in an environment where they learn values through real life experiences. जो सीखते थे बच्चे खुद करते थे, खुद सीखते थे. That time it was not like that कि they don't have any skills and all, but that time nobody was there behind to make them realize कि yes, you have this potential, but this is required because this time time has changed completely. And there are many causes I believe कि बहुत से reason है, due to nuclear families, due to over work pressure, due to societal changes. There are several reasons behind. So that time क्या होता था कि how children they learn in this situation. Grandparents, they played a very significant role in shaping child's future. You know how that time दादा दादी होते थे, कहानियाँ सुनाते थे, बच्चे वैल्यूज सीखते थे, मॉरल सीखते थे. बट दिस टाइम ड्यू टू दिस न्यूक्लियर फैमिली, ऐसा नहीं है कि आज ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स फैमिलीज में नहीं है, बट वेरी लेस रेशियो, as you also understand. So and that time when students, you know, when children were failing in any exams and tests, that was lesson for them. But now it leads to an anxiety due to social pressure. So these are the yes, societal pressure is also a big challenge for our children, for our future generation. So this time I believe कि parenting, a gentle parenting, a supportive parenting, a understanding parenting is really very required for this generation, because this is demand of this time. Gentle parenting, soft parenting अपने बच्चे के साथ, मतलब उस समय पहले क्या होता था, only throwing orders कि you have to do this, you don't do this that. But now when we spend time with our kids, अगर हम 10 बातें कर रहे हैं, उसमें से हम 8 बातें ऐसी करें जो उन्हें अच्छी लगे, 3 बातें ऐसी करें जिन्हें हम उनको रियलाइज़ करा सकें कि here you have to do this work in that way, in those ways. So that's why I believe कि in that time parenting was not required. I'm not thinking not required, it was happening, but how they learn through naturally. But now gentle parenting, soft parenting means कि understand, bond is highly required.
In your lines, you have mentioned the word generation gap. So, is it right to say that it is due to transition between generation?
Yes, generation gap, it's okay, although it's right, but as I believe, rather than generation gap, transition between generation, it's nowadays it's highly recommended. Why? Earlier what is happening कि parents, what they do with their kids, they ki suppose every generation has their own values and own thinking areas and all. Parents were very worried about at those period ki suppose for example they don't leave their kids to walk alone to school. But now why? The reason, due to safety, due to societal norms and changes, rapid changes. But now what is happening? Parents, they teach, they guide their kids about the societal norms. पहले पेरेंट्स क्या करते थे, वो बच्चों को बताते नहीं थे कि आपके लिए ये क्यों अकेले जाना सही नहीं है. बच्चा खुद से ही अपने आप को स्ट्रॉन्ग बना लेता था और वो अकेले भी स्कूल चला जाता था. बट नाउ gentle parenting, what role they are playing? They are guiding, they are teaching their kids कि why you should not go alone to school, because due to strangers, due to safety norms. So these are the causes. Few more example I would like to give you. Like पहले parents अपने बच्चों को क्या करते थे? They have, every parents they give only one example. इतना ही औकात है, इतना ही पैर फैलाना है, मेरी औकात इतनी है, मैं इतना ही चादर फैलाऊंगा. But now this generation, they don't have any fear. They do whatever they want to do in their future, and yes, they have proved it. So please support at that time when they required parent support. Only what is required, we need to understand. आप खुद सीखो ना. अगर आपको लगता है कहीं कि आपका बच्चा आपको अपोज कर रहा है, at that time what was means this generation at this time, present time, parents are at this children's side. But in those period what was happening, parent was at the opposite side. So this is the change and this is the demand. अगर आप अपने बच्चे को कह रहे हो आपको डॉक्टर बनना है और भाई बच्चा कह रहा है कि मुझे एक सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर बनना है, प्रॉब्लम कहाँ है? फर्स्ट यू सिट विथ देयर किड, योर चाइल्ड, एंड नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड. आप समझो उस चीज़ को. मे बी ही और शी हैज़ पोटेंशियल टू डू मच बेटर comparative than this field Another one more example I am giving you, and he is none other than very famous and popular nowadays. His reel is becoming constantly his reel is becoming viral, and he is Mr. Abhay Singh, IITian Baba. You know? Yes. What is the story behind? Why he is spending his life like this way? In Kumbh, he is spending his as a Baba. Everybody know him about he is a Baba, he is a Sant. But he also cracked sometimes IIT ना, उसने भी IIT क्रैक किया. बट वजह क्या थी कि उसको ये रास्ता चुनना पड़ा? Why? Due to lack of communication, due to lack of understanding. कोई वो जो समझाना चाहता था, जो कहना चाहता था, शायद उसको किसी ने समझ नहीं पाया. And that's why today he is at this path. He's chosen this path to become a sant. He don't have any fear. Here also he don't have any fear. He is doing as much as he want to do in his life. At that time, what was happened? Ki somebody was there, those who were just always trying to stop him, trying to set one boundaries. Yes, definitely as a parent we have to set one boundaries, but also we have to make our child, we have to develop my child to take decisions. Decision maker हमें बनाना है अपने बच्चे को. Only adapting and accepting the decisions, it's not today in this era, it's not possible. I cannot say this in this situation in present time. This is the demand of this generation, and this is also one of the case which you have raised this question, a generation gap. This is one so hard transition gap.
Till now, we have talked about different concern of child parenting. Ma'am, can you please tell us the major effect of lack of child parenting?
Lack of child parenting. Parenting, as I believe, parenting is not just about providing food and shelter and providing facilities, but also provide a social, emotional and intellectual development to my child. See, what happened if parenting is your guidance, your parenting is missing? The impact is far reaching. My child will faces through many challenges, like their emotional instability. This is very big issues, crucial issues. When we don't spend time with my kids, what happens? They feel anxiety. They are seeking safety, security. They are seeking someone, those who listen them. So this is one of the major, yes, this is one of the major cause of lack of child parenting. Next, peer pressure. They are facing many problems and facing every day in their schools, their classrooms, their peer pressures, and nobody is there to listen them. As well as we can also mention their behavioral issues. Due to lack of parenting, they don't able to communicate with people. Why? Because they spend maximum time at home alone or with gadgets. So कहाँ मेरा बच्चा सीखेगा communication बनाना, relation banana? They feel lack of have huge problem making relationship, making friends, making communication with others. As well as technology also one of the biggest issue nowadays. Why? This is also lack of child parenting. You know, when we are not setting a boundaries, limits, so you please provide a limit time, give a screen time to your kid कि इतना समय आपको टीवी देखना है, इतना टाइम you have to watch your gadgets, you have to use your gadgets and be with them, connect with them, you also learn with them, na? And monitor, time to time monitor what they are doing on their screen, what they are watching. So these are the causes, as well as gender specific challenges, also one of the biggest issue due to lack of parenting. You know, so these are, I feel ki these are the causes of this lack of child parenting. And as a parent, every parent, they must understand ki how they have to be present for their child.
What tips would you recommend to parents for better child parenting?
Obviously, already I have mentioned that please, as I feel, don't feel my child is giving hard time to me. Feel my child is having a hard time, and that stage we need to connect with my kids, with my child. It's very, very important. So my important key points is, as already I have mentioned, कि बच्चे के साथ जुड़ें, spend your quality time, discuss their problems, be present, make them feel कि मैं हूँ, make them feel कि yes, I'm your backbone, so that he can feel कि yes, somebody is there behind me. If I'm feeling any problem, then somebody is there who will help me out, those who will understand me. Why nowadays when child is seeking for safety at home due to this problem, they are seeking please don't mind, but yes, I feel I need to quote this point कि आजकल क्या हो रहा है, बच्चे love affections, these are not loves, they are affected, means कि एक affection जिसको हम कहते हैं कि उनको कोई चाहिए, कि कोई उन्हें लग फील होता है कि शायद कोई है जो मुझे सुन रहा है. That time they just go beyond their boundaries, they cross their boundaries. Only I would like to say कि please don't be perfect, be present and be understanding. That's it.
So, this was all about for parents for better parenting. Beside this, would you like to give any message to children also?
My suggestion for children is, don't think that your parent is not understanding you. Yes, of course they will understand you. When at that time you need any support, when you are any problem and no relationship is working at that time, so that time your parent will help you out as your supportive hand. So please be obedient, listen to your parents, as well as see, maybe they have their own perspective, कि हो सकता है कि वो ये सोच रहे हो कि स्टडी इज़ स्टडी आपके लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. When at that time you are watching, you are giving your time, maximum time on screening, so they have their own perspective कि yes, game is also important, but as well as somewhere you are hampering your study, so this is also important for your future. They are very concerned about you, they are very worried about you, so think about their perspective कि वो कहना क्या चाहते हैं. Don't feel कि they are only blaming you, they are only just raising questions on you, they are doubting on you. No, it's not like that. Somewhere they have concern about you. So here, my dear children, you need to understand कि nobody is there except your parent, those who will help you out in that situation when you will highly require someone. So only parent.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Your concern and advice to parent as well as children are really recommendable. If you allow us, we have a special round, rapid round, in which I will ask the question and you have to answer rapidly without taking much time. Are you ready?
Oh wow, means it's going to be quite interesting. I'm ready, yes.
What's the best parenting tip you have ever received?
Always listen to your kid before respond.
One word to describe parenting.
Transformative.
Screen time for kids, yes or no?
Yes, but in limit.
At what age should kids get their first smartphone?
In age of 13, but it's depend on maturity.
Discipline or gentle parenting?
Gentle parenting, but with clear boundaries.
One value every child should learn.
Obviously, empathy.
Best way to bond with your child.
Best way to bond with your child. Spend quality time with your kids.
What's harder, raising toddlers or teenagers?
Teenagers, because they comes with complex relations and emotions.
Best family tradition.
Best family tradition, having dinner together.
Once again, thank you so much, ma'am, to be the part of today's podcast. We have really a great time with you.
Also, thank you to you, and it's my privilege to be here and to be the part of this podcast, and I'm very glad to interact with parent on this very important and crucial topic on child parenting. Thank you so much for inviting me.
And yes, parent, I hope all your concerns regarding child parenting is clear. If you have any doubt, you can drop a comment.